Hello friends, in this video we will learn how can we record our entire computer screen. We can record our computer screen without our webcam or with webcam also. There are many software which are freely available on internet, and we can download any one of them, and with the help of them we can easily record our computer screen and can make educational videos or whatever the videos we want to create. So let us learn how can we create or how can we record these screens. For this I have downloaded two software. I currently am using this Screencast-O-Matic. I have also Bandicam, and there must be one more. You can see now only currently only once more this free screen recorder. Currently I am using this. I will demonstrate you on this. Okay, because one software cannot be run simultaneously, so we can download any one of the software of our choice from internet. These are available freely, but they have on their own limitations. If we use this Screencast-O-Matic, then it can be record up to 15 minutes video only. If we use this Bandicam, then it can record 10 minutes free video. So you can use any one of them. If I am demonstrating currently this, after downloading this we have to click on this file, then click yes. This is the interface of Bandicam. Now we have to make some settings. First of all, screen recording mode. We have to select how much area we want to record. If we want to select a particular recording area, then we have to select this, then the particular area will be recorded. If I want to select a rectangle on a screen, then we have to choose any one pixel, 4:3, 16:9. We should choose maximum available pixels, and these are these. Choosing these maximum pixel, our video quality will be better. We can also choose full screen, around mouse, whatever we the options suitable to us, we can choose them. This is for game recording mode. This is for HDMI, high definition capture devices. Now there are some more settings, such as these are general settings. We have to create some output folder, as I have created users HP documents. In documents there is a folder by the name Bandicam. All the video recorded by using this will be saved there. And these are some advanced settings. If I want to click on this, show tip, information bar, output, cooking, these are by default, we can leave them. If I to click on video settings, record stop hotkey, we can record or stop using F12 key, pause hotkey, shift plus F12. These are some basic options. Now this is the most important option, add webcam overlay. If I want to use webcam while recording, then I have to click on this, then this webcam icon is enabled. As my webcam is already working, you can see that through which I am recording the current video. If we don't want to record with webcam, then we can remove this. These are some images setting, hotkey, add logo, if we want to add our logo, format in which we want images, so we can use these options. This is not very difficult, these are very easy options. Once when we use it, we will get familiar to this. So let us record some particular video. For recording, I also try if webcam is working, or if my picture is shown here or not, because webcam is recording other video through which I am demonstrating. So I try to record some video. I click here. We can set a timer for itself. You can see the webcam is here. Now I minimize it, and suppose I want to open something on internet. Suppose I want to open YouTube. Now I want to check my YouTube channel. I want to see some videos. So whatever we are doing on our screen, this must be recorded in that particular video through which we are recording. Now I close it. Suppose I want to study some paper. This is my some particular research paper. I can read out it. So everything we are doing on screen must be recorded there. Basically we have to know all the functions. Once we tried it, we will got familiar with. As you can see, it is recording here. Everything we are recording, just it is recording there. Now if I want to close this recording, then I click on stop button. If I want to see the output of this recording, then this is the output folder. I click on it, and we can directly find this particular video file. If I want to play this, so friends, in this way we can record our video, and we can make our own educational video or whatever video we want to create in this way. This is not a very difficult task. Initially we may face some problem, but when we use it once or twice, we will be familiar with this. If we want to use any software, almost all the have same settings. We can record our video, either we want to record with webcam or we want to record without webcam. We can, it depends on our own choice. So friends, you must record your video, educational video, as during this pandemic time it is necessary to take online classes or prepare some video lectures. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you very much.